And now we are going to do pork fillets wrapped in prosciutto and sage. Oh, okay, so first of all what we need is as many pork fillets as you want for however many people you're doing it for. Now these are big fat tubby ones. I've never seen them so big in my life, so this will be interesting. Now we need prosciutto, so I got it sliced thinly and I just grabbed $5 worth and hope it's going to be enough. Sage leaves, I can't believe I had to go buy them. I'll change that real soon. So I just bought a little pack of sage leaves, and we need cooking grade string, alright, and you can buy that anywhere. So I got that from the IGA and I've just cut it up into the strips I need already. So this is all you need for this one. Now this is perfect to do on the Barbie if you've got a Barbie with a lid that comes down like an oven, or it's perfect to do inside in your oven as well. So the first thing we're going to do is clean up the fillets and trim them up and make them look all pretty. Alright, now we've prettied them up and trimmed them up as much as we can. Don't worry about the fine stuff, you're never going to be able to get that off anyway. The main thing you want to do is just chop off the little skinny bits on the ends so that we can get them to cook properly. So I've got them as good as I can get them. Okay, now the next thing we do is we get our sage, and I'm just going to chop the stalks off so it's just the leaves. Do that on a couple of them. Alright, so I'm just going to stick it on there like a saw. Turn it over, stick them on there. Do as many as little as you want. I just like to be able to cover it all. You don't need heaps. Sage is nice and strong. Make sure you're in camera view. Oh, damn lighting. You're probably not going to be able to see a thing. If I move it there. I don't know. Now I'm going to get the prosciutto. And I'm going to attempt to wrap it. Make sure. Okay. So we're going to wrap it around it. Just be patient. There's no right or wrong way here. And I think one more. I might wrap it this way. Now that's 3 pieces. I just want to see how many I've got. 1, 2, 3 for that one, 1, 2, 3 for that one, and 2 of course. Okay, so I'm just going to wrap one more down this end. And just lift it up a bit, roll it over. Okay, then sort of squash it all together. Like so. Alright, then I'm going to get a piece of string. Sorry if I'm taking a bit of time, but you've got to spend a bit of time. Alright, piece of string. Just lift it under one end. Lift it up. And tie it up. Okay, slide it in the other end, or lift it into the middle. And tie it up. Do it nice and tight. And one on the end. Cut them off. Now you don't have to do this if you don't want to, it's optional, but I like doing this. So I'll move it out the way for a minute. Piss off, fly. Get out some Glad wrap. Oh, Glad wrap's a nightmare. Alright, pick up our roll, put it in our Glad wrap. You see that? Alright, and then I'm going to wrap it real tight. And I'm going to put it in the fridge until we're ready. Now you can make these like this the day before. Stick them in the fridge like this. Make sure they're sealed at both ends. I reckon it softens up the prosciutto a bit, and makes it really stick nicely to them. Okay, so I'll do the other two exactly the same as that. So yeah, you can make them up the night before like that, have them all in the fridge ready to go. Ready to cook these little puppies up now. Okay, so if you're going to cook them inside, you want to get a frying pan out and you want to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius and get a cookie tray out ready to go. Alright, if you're using the Barbie as an oven, so the rule is we're going to fry them up first on the flat plate. Now, if you've got a 4, 5 or 6 burner Barbie, you want to put the 2 end or the 2 beginning ones on low. And you want to cook your food to the opposite end that you've got the 2 burners on, okay? Always the opposite end, whichever way it is. So if you happen to have your 2 front burners are on where your hot plate is, after you've cooked these, put them onto a tray and put them at the other end. So just make sure they're opposite. So 4, 5, 6 burner, you want the 2 end ones on, or the 2 beginning ones. And for a 3 or a 2 burner, you want one on low. Always on low. Close the lid. 35 minutes you want to leave them in there for. You can take one out and cut it and check it, but it should be perfect after 35 minutes. Halfway through, around 20 minutes, open it up quickly and turn them over and quickly close it again, okay? Alright, so I've fired up the oven already. I'm just going to get the frying pan out and we're going to cook these little puppies. On medium, a little bit I'm using olive oil, but use whatever oil you've got. Alright, even it out, you want it definitely covering the bottom. Oh, that might have been just a fraction too much. Okay, put them in. So all we're going to do is just fry up the prosciutto and get it crispy. So we're not doing it for long. We're just going to keep constantly turning until we've done 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, turn it off. That didn't take any longer than a minute and a half. Perfect. Now we want to put them on our cookie tray and into the oven they go. And it smells awesome in here. Oh, hell yeah. Shut up and take my money. Get away, fly. Whoa. Okay. We'll leave them sitting there now to rest for 10 minutes. Once they've rested, cut the strings off. And then you can do them any way you want. You can slice them up and have them with veggies. You can slice them up and have them with salads. You can slice it all up and just have it as a big plate of meat to take out with all your Barbie stuff. Or you can slice them up and then when they go cold, put them on a cold platter, put them straight down the middle, put all your lettuce and your tomato and cucumbers and cheeses and that all over them, and you can make them as gorgeous cold platters too. Or you can leave them whole and put one on each plate with all your veggies or your salads. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, there you have it, my friends. A picture says 1,000 words, does it not? Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. You know me, I'll be back. Not bad, is it? A little bit fancy, a little bit cheap. Restaurant quality. Damn yeah, we can do this at home. Bye.